Dirty Rockhounder here. So we've just reached the huge town of Titanite Hill. We're on our way to Titanite Hill right now. This is my first time here. And we take our first left as we come through here, and that leads us down Gibson Road. And so far the road looks pretty good. From what I understand, you drive down here and there is a parking spot for two-wheel drive vehicles, and if you have a four-wheel, you should be able to go a little bit farther down the trail. So we'll see what that looks like. So it looks like this is the first section of parking right here by this old house. I recognize that from a bunch of the videos that I watched before coming here. This is my first time at Titanite Hill and Titanite Hill, and so this is all a big learning curve for me, and hopefully you'll be able to join me on this learning adventure myself. So we've reached the parking area. It looks like we have to go straight up the hill there. So it looks like a beautiful area in through here. Parking area here is pretty good. Looks like we have room for maybe 5 or 6 cars pulled in here. We got 3 of us in here right now, and we'll start exploring here in a minute. You can see a few people up there already digging away. Let's get up there and join them and get dirty. This is what the excavations are looking like. Lots of under tree roots and just caves and diggings everywhere up here. Alright, so one of the things that we were told when we got here was to look for pits where people have discarded some offcuts of apatites or titanites or feldspar or whatever it is you're looking for. And we found a couple pieces here, and there's some more up around this hole here, which has really just started excavation. So we're going to start digging in here, and we'll see what we can find. I'm here with my daughter today, and we're starting to find little bits of pieces in here. Really nice looking feldspar crystal there. Get the other side of it as well. And our pit is starting to get a little bit bigger. The soil's pretty easy to dig up here. So we're just found a couple areas where we've got some rocks with apatites attached. And we're going to keep going and see if we can expand this hole and see what's down here. Nothing fantastic yet, but we've got a few little feldspars there, and definitely a few little apatites up there. Laurel's down in the pit right now. We're kind of excavating in the spot where we found some of those little apatites. You never know. That again, quick update here on our holes so far. So we're chasing in between those 2 rocks right now, and definitely finding small broken apatites in there, and it keeps us going. And being a newbie at this, I'm not positive if that's the right choice or not, but today's going to be a learning experience out here for us. So we're going to chase that as far as we can, and yeah, just finding like lots of evidence of apatite in there. I'm going towards this tree root here in this ground, and seem to be getting a fair number of feldspar crystals. So quite nice little pieces too. I think we'll clean up and look pretty cool. And some apatite shards in there as well. So that's where we are right now, just biggerin' and biggerin' in the words of Dr. Seuss there. So Laurel's found herself a nice little hole in there that is formed, and she's going in there now trying to see if there's any crystal sitting in there.
I apologize.
So right now she's just using a screwdriver in there to enlarge the opening a little bit. But yeah, she was pulling the dirt out of the way. All of a sudden this little opening popped in. And from what I heard, that's when we get excited, right, rockhounders, when there's a natural cavity. So like I said, I'm just digging around. This is the feldspar side. That's the more of the apatite side over there. So just digging around in here and finding lots of little things in here. Oh, that looks like a great feldspar right here. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's going to clean up nicely. On my feldspar side, I finally found a decent apatite. Broke it getting it out of the hole. It's a little bit crumbly, but I'm going to keep chasing under that rock there and see if there's anything else. Alright, so I found a hole in the ground here under that rock, and I'm just chasing under there, pulling out some really nice pieces so far. And my friend's chasing this big piece here on the top. She thinks that will look just fabulous in her garden, so we're attempting to get that nice piece of feldspar out there. But we've definitely found some calcite. When you stick your arm in there, you can feel the crystals all around you in there. So we'll see what type of crystals there are in a little bit. All right, we're at that stage now. I just gave it a wiggle and it's going to come out. It looked amazing at the beginning with all these crystals here. The more we dug around it, we're not really sure. So here's the unveiling here. The bright side is we do need to get under it though. That's where some other crystals are. So it's got to come out one way or the other. Let's have a peek. Oh. I'm not sure it's what we're looking for, but you can see the huge cavity it's opened up underneath it. And yes, I am definitely getting dirty. Over here, swing slowly. My daughter dug this piece out. We just put a little water on it to clean up a little bit, but you can see some of those awesome feldspar crystals sticking out. So that one's going to come home, even though it's huge, be a beautiful spot out in the garden. Hey, I'm down in this big hole here, feeling around. So we found a nice calcite ridge here, and so far we found some amphiboles in here. Oh, see if I can get the next piece of something out. Oh, we'll see what that is.
Beautiful. Absolutely fantabulous.
Whew. That should look. So this is this calcite shelf that we're chasing. We're going to try to break that up a little bit to get under it, because there's some more stuff under we can't get to. But lots of beautiful apatites in here. I'm pretty sure if we try to get these out, they'll break into pieces. But seeing this is my first time, I'm going to try it, of course. All right, so definitely destroyed it, but still got it out. That was my first try at getting those out of the calcite that way, just with a little screwdriver and small hammer. So yeah, broke it in the middle, but yeah, pretty cool for my first try. So it's starting to get a little bit dark right now, so I figured I'd better say goodbye while we still have a little bit of light here. Thanks for joining me. I definitely did a great job of getting dirty today. I'm really liking this crystal digging. For the my third attempt at crystal digging and my first time here at Titanite Hill. It's a lot of fun. Gotta admit, there's something about digging in the dirt that, I don't know, maybe it brings you back to your childhood or what, but it's a lot of fun. Connection with nature, that's for sure. So, thanks for watching.
I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop. Shiny rocks, dull rocks, any luster will do. The color doesn't matter, red, white, or blue. Every time I'm out, my head is down. Always searching, searching the ground. Friends think I'm a bit of a clown, 'cause I fill my pockets till my pants fall down. I'm a rock hounder, a dirty rock hounder. I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop, 'cause I fill my pockets till my pants fall down. A dirty rock hounder. I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop. Digging deep in the earth's bones, sweat drips, dirt fills my soul. Hammer strikes, echoes in the dark, searching for crystals in this cold hard rock. Druzy dreams in the dusty pit, fingernails full of dirt and grit. I'm a rock hounder, a dirty rock hounder. I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop. Getting dirty, digging in the dirt, looking for crystals, only finding chert. Bushwhacking, canoeing, no place too remote. Found a nice pocket on the side of a slope. Dirty and tired with a bucket full of rocks. Nowhere to put them, but I'll never stop. A dirty rock hounder. I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I'm heading out tomorrow, never gonna stop.